you're sitting at a sweetheart table at your wedding, I get it. Eliminate the drama of who you sit with. Just sit with your significant other. Makes it nice and easy. So if your plan is to sit at a sweetheart table, you can decorate that in so many ways. The base of the table is a linen, so feel free to think about pattern, color, texture. If you have a linen already available, think about a runner, a fun way to add pattern, texture, or color. Flowers and candles are two really fun and simple ways to really liven up your sweetheart table. There are ceramics, there are vintage things that you can find, but the main pro tip here is don't block your line of sight. People are gonna come say hi to you, they're gonna dote love on you. You wanna be able to see all your friends and family, and they wanna be able to see you. There are so many fun and unique ways to decorate a table, but it should reflect your style, your personality, and your love story with your partner.